Hospitals in the United States have been operating at near capacity to cope with a spike in infant respiratory infections amid a shortage of children's hospital beds and medical workers and the still raging COVID-19 pandemic. Respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV, is a common respiratory virus that usually causes mild cold-like symptoms. With RSV on the rise and patients being treated for COVID-19, these viruses are impacting every hospital around. The shortage of pediatric hospital beds should take the blame for the delayed child care. About 80% of pediatric hospital beds are occupied across the nation. To make it worse, some children's hospitals had no idea what was inflicting the rising number of hospitalized infants, resulting in misdiagnosis as common cold, which in some cases led to death, according to ABC News.